To reset Huawei Watch Fit 4, there are two ways to do this, and the first one I will show you how you can do this from your application. So you have to simply go into the Huawei Health application. From here, go into the devices and select your Huawei Watch Fit 4, and from here you will have to scroll all the way down, and here you can find the Restore Factory Settings button, and as you go in there, simply press this button to restore, and this is the first way to reset the Huawei Watch Fit 4. And the second way is you have to simply grab your watch, and from here on your watch you will have to go into the settings. So on this application list you will have to go all the way down and go into the settings, and from here you have to go all the way down again, and here you can find system and updates. Let's go in there, and right here you can, as you scroll down again, all the way down in this settings you will find reset button. So as you tap on this one, here by tapping on this check mark right here, you will also reset your Huawei Watch Fit 4. So yeah, that's how you can do this. These are two ways to reset the Huawei Watch Fit 4.